Hey you guys, happy Father's Day. Let's put this Father's Day DIY gift basket together. So the first thing I am using is this Dollar Tree. Let me show you how it looks with the tag. So it's at the dollar store and this is the tag. I just took the tag off. But just in case you need to see it. I'm gonna start it off with some shredded paper. Look at my nails. Aren't they cute? Okay, some shredded paper. And then just pull it apart. Now I'm going to leave it here in case I want to add more, take away, because you never know. Sometimes it gets super filled. The first thing I'm adding for Father's Day is one of his favorite items, and it is a coffee thermal. So make sure your thermal says cold and hot. If it does not say cold and hot, that means it's just a water thermal. You need for it to say cold and hot for it to be a coffee. So I picked this up at Target. And it was, I want to say, I do have the receipt. $16.99. So that's a great price. Now I know this brand, so I can tell you this brand is really good when it comes to coffee. It's one of my favorite. I wanted to get it in a blue color, but I could not find the blue. Oh my God. This might be way too big for my basket. I'm not sure. So let's just keep going. If it's way too big for the basket, I will pull it out. But if not, I'll make it fit. We'll see. The first thing I'm adding is this Magic Desktop. I thought this was so cute. Well, you know what? I can make it fit. Okay, so this Magic Desktop dartboard. You guys, this is so cute. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I bought this at Walgreens for $1. It was originally like, I don't know, does it say here? Like $7.99 or something like that. But after the Christmas sale, it was like change. So I posted it on Instagram so you guys could go and run and get this, because they had a ton of them, and I thought for a desk it is so cute. You can put it on your desk and play with it, or you can just play with it, and when you go to somebody else's house, this is a great gift for that. And I thought, wow, what a great sale. So I picked up quite a few of them, and I thought these would be perfect for Father's Day. I don't know, you tell me. I think it's adorable. And this is the Walgreens brand. So I'm going to put this right there. So I'm going to make that fit. Okay, the next thing I got was this pizza playing cards, which was from the same thing. So it was even cheaper than the other one. This is 52 pieces, and it was on sale as well. I thought it's so cute. So they're playing cards, but like pizza style. I thought that was adorable as well. Okay, I'm going to try to make everything fit. If it doesn't fit, it's fine. The next thing I brought were the towels from the dollar store. He really likes these to clean the car. He says they're really good for being Dollar Tree, so I keep getting these because, sometimes they could get dirty. You could just toss it, or you can wash them. We wash ours, so it's really up to you. So I don't know if I want the coffee mug behind the towel or the coffee mug in front. So I think I want it like this. And you know what? That's perfect right there. Because I can move this here. No, actually that looks awful. I want this here and this here. And that looks way better. What do you guys think? Like if you're worried it's gonna fall, it's not. It's really sturdy right there. Okay, I mean, I can always pull the coffee mug out, but It's not too bad. The next thing I picked up was on the dollar spot. I thought this was cool. This is a like a magnet that picks up the tools. You know how sometimes the screwdrivers, the little screws, they fall. And I guess this is a tool for that to help you pick them up in case it falls in between the cars. I thought that would be very cool to have. Okay. I am going to add my money holder, which I made myself. If you guys want the template, you guys just email me and I sell the template and I'll send it right to you as soon as I get the payment. And then you open it like this. It has a little heart. You see? I'm gonna go ahead and add the money in there. Just make sure it's all facing. All you have to do is make sure it's all facing the same side, you know, so it looks nice. And then look at how nice it's gonna fit in here. You can write I love you, happy Father's Day, whatever you want, and then close it back up. And it's a money holder, like almost like a money card envelope. It's a one piece. And of course I made it myself. I thought this would be a great theme since the basket is kind of heading towards the black. So I thought the black and white paper would be really pretty for this. What do you think? And then we're gonna slide that like so. I also brought the Little Joe air freshener. These are at the dollar store. They come in different colors. Let me show you really quick. The colors that I have, because I don't have them on me, so I can show you. So they have them in the gray. They had them in the blue, which I picked up more for Father's Day for all the uncles. And they had them in the pink, which I picked up a couple of them for the Teacher Appreciation Week or even Mother's Day, whatever you want. But these are the colors they have. So I thought the gray one would look really nice with the colors that I'm already using. What do you think? Right, that looks really cute. Okay. I picked this up at the Walgreens on sale as well. I thought this was so cool. And this was some change as well. It was originally like $7. Look how cool this is. It's a keychain and light. So you put it with your keys and then you press the button right there and it's gonna light up so you guys can see where your key is going. Now, I don't know if the key goes in here as well. I'm not sure, but we'll figure it out when he opens it up and then I'll let you guys know. But it is a keychain light. I thought it was a great idea. And I also picked up a couple of them for the uncles for Father's Day. So this is a great idea. That's why whenever I find a great idea, I love to share it with you. I try to post it. I wanted to kind of show, but it's not going to show unless I put it higher. It's okay. I am adding a $50 Amazon gift card as well. And the gift card could go right here. Cute. And least and last, I thought this was so cute. I picked these up at Amazon and there are little dispensables for quarters, and we like to play loteria when we get together, which is like a bingo. And I thought I would give each of the guys one of them. So I decided to put a little bit of change, like quarters and pennies, dimes, nickels, and everything. Just a little bit of change in here because I'm going to give it. It's like a little change dispenser. They can also take it to their car. They can leave it around their house. They can stack up other change in here. It holds quite a few. Look at that. It'll be on my Amazon storefront on the link in case you want to pick it up. It actually comes in different colors. Now let me show you. I already pre-packaged them. So look, they come in different colors. So I thought that was cool. So now if you want to go ahead and put it like this or put the bag in it, it's up to you. I'm just going to add it like that. And there you go. How cute is this gift basket? You have a little bit of money, a gift card, a couple of cute and adorable gifts and ideas, of course. Let me take a picture. And let me go ahead and take out the bag. And let's wrap this up. I'm going to use the bags from the dollar store. And a black ribbon. So let's start. Let me know what you guys are doing for Father's Day. I'm probably going to take him out for breakfast. And then do a little something with the boys, like we do every year. And then something with the family. So we're busy. Okay, so open your bag up, grab your basket. It's really nice and heavy because of the coffee mug, so it's not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna put it right in the middle. You're gonna bring up your bag, just like that. Can you guys see? I want to see how I do it. Because then you guys are like, Susie, I didn't see, teach me. I should do a one-on-one wrapping, but okay, so we're gonna just fold it right there and we're gonna bring it back. Is that what it is? So if this is too long, all you have to do is tuck it in and pull it front. Tape it with clear tape. You don't want to tape it with anything but clear tape. That way it doesn't look so messy. And then just bring it back with the tape. You saw how easy that was? So now what you're going to do is turn it around and you're going to do the same thing to the other side. You saw how easy that was? And then bring it back as far as you can and as tight as you can with the tape. Use your tape. It's clear tape. Nobody's going to see it. And then look how cool that is. So now I want to show you how I do the top because it is super important. A lot of you guys are like, thank you for showing me. Sorry, I have my laundry there. But anyways, grab the top. Okay, grab your ribbon. I'm going to use a black ribbon. Just regular black ribbon from the dollar store. I thought it would be cute since most of it is black and blue. I can also use blue. So it's really up to you. I want to go for the black this time. Okay, so you see my hands? Look at my hands because then you guys are like, I don't see what you're doing. You're just going to grab it to the top. You're going to grab your ribbon. You're going to do half. I'm sorry if my hand is in the way. You guys always are like, your hand's in the way, but I don't know how to remove it. Okay, so then you're going to go ahead and you're going to tighten that as tight as you can. And then you're going to make a bow. I want your bow to be beautiful. Like this. See how pretty that is? Okay. Now what you're going to do is you're going to grab it and you're going to cut a third of it off. Don't get scared. I know it looks a little bit like, what are you doing? But trust me, this is going to pay off when you're going to give somebody this basket. It's not going to be all saggy. It's not going to weigh down. It's going to actually hold. You know what? I hate that laundry bag. Let me move it. For some reason, it bothers me. Okay. So it's going to hold its weight. And when you give it to somebody, it's going to look really, really nice. We're going to mess with the bow. I want the bow to kind of like, you know. So now this, you can always cut it straight or in an angle. Look how pretty that is. And there you go. You have a beautiful gift basket, super affordable from the Dollar Tree. And as you can tell, I added a expensive gift. You can make it more expensive. Add more money, add a bigger gift card. I did a $50 to Amazon. You can add a bigger gift card, add more money. Let me know what you guys think. I think the husband is gonna love it. It is super adorable, super chic. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there, uncles, grandpas, just any male figure that has the courage to be a father, because it is so hard nowadays. May God give you strength to continue being a great person, a great dad, whatever Father's Day means to you. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you like my little basket. It came out so adorable. And until next time, bye you guys.